you are worthy of every obedience that happens in your life. God bless you, Be, and happy belated birthday. May He grant everything your
Ash, you've grown into such a strong, beautiful, and kind-hearted woman. I hope that you always stay true to who you are, brave, bright, and full of dreams. Siyempre, di na dyan ako wala ka. Okay, paano ka dyan na? Life might not always be easy, but I hope you'll remember that we are always here beside you to listen to your power. Higher than your audience, you know that. I wish that with your heart and strength, we'll conquer everything. Happy birthday, I love you. God bless.
First of all, happy birthday. And even though dili ko kita push kung mga days na first ka-birthday sa handaan mo. Pag-buhinak mo ako doon siya.
Gusto nag-away ninyo. Bago lang.
Okay na po. So, happy belated birthday ako. Karang, even though we've known each other for a very short time now, but your genuinely, your kindness, and of course, yung ka-obeyhan is what shines the most, yeah? Tapos, thankful ko na nakailata ka sa SASPI, and you are one of my SASPI, no? SASPI, short, kanang pressure ko. Kanang thankful ko sa imong presence, and ikaw isa sa mga taong nakailan ako sa Santa Ana na naging close na right away, and siguro may open day siya, and thankful ko nga karang ginapaminaw ko nimo, and thank you kaayo for being my shoulder to cry on, or mga rants na ko. Tinuod na ako, nagasakan ni Jeep together. Ang maingon lang is, you deserve better. You deserve better, so ayaw ka UN, okay na?
Lobster! Easy!
Oh, yeah, I think